In this short video, we're going to take a look at how we can export culvert information to our model files. So that's either HECRAS, Flood Modeler or 2Flow. So if we just open up a cross-section here of a round culvert, circular culvert, and we've got a downstream face of that same culvert there. So if we come to the upstream face, and we go into Structures, Configure Culvert, we've got this window here. So we can just, if we just zoom in, we can see concrete pipe is 0.67 in diameter. So we'll just add that in, and now we just want to set the position of the invert or soffit. So we've clicked on Set there. And click there, and you see it's defaulted to use soffit link to survey point, so we'll just click that to invert. So it snaps over the opening. We'll set our construction material. It's concrete, and it's just a standard head wall, which is all good. We've got an existing surveyed section downstream, and this is an inlet as opposed to an outlet. So what we can do here now, so we've set this on the upstream face. If we just go to outlet, so if you haven't surveyed the downstream face or you haven't got a level on the downstream face, you can just keep this ticked to same as inlet, and it will just keep those dimensions and elevations for the downstream face. But we have got the downstream face surveyed, so we'll just click that and we'll set. And what it's done is it's opened up the downstream face section. So we've got both sections here. This is the upstream face, this is the downstream face. So just again here, we'll just click that to invert. It's got a very slight offset, but in there, but it's all good, and we'll press OK. If you've got additional culverts in the same, if we've got another culvert, second culvert over here in the same head wall, we just add culvert and repeat the process. Okay, so press OK, and that's set the information for that culvert. So if we just go export to 2Flow now, for instance, got a folder here which is empty, working information 2Flow, press OK. That information's just populated this folder, working information 2Flow. We'll just minimize that, we open up QGIS. We'll just drag in these MIF files. So these are created directly from the 2Flow output, as you can see here, and you've got all your files for your cross sections, and obviously you've got your bridge height width tables as well produced. So if we just look at the run through, and we just look at the attribute table. So there is our cross-section data. Then we've got our network data in here. So if we just scroll down to, this was the cross-section which we inputted the information. So we've got the upstream invert level, we've got the downstream invert level. And we've also got some default we've got the diameter of the pipe there, and we've got some default coefficients in here as well, just to make things a bit easier. So you can see that's all populated. If we just look at the water levels as well, they've all come through as well. So it really is that quick and simple, as I've just shown you there, to construct these culverts for export, so that information goes directly into your model without you having to manually enter it. And of course, if you get a model from a surveyor who's using GeoRiver, they should have set all this information anyway already. So it's just a matter of receiving a model like this, viewing it and just validating it. You're happy with what's been represented, and then you export your model files as you wish.